Hello students, so this is the last column in your application part. That application is under the flux. So up to here I completed our model. Okay, that is a vector calculus. Since today is our last lecture on vector calculus, I covered more examples and I tried to compute as many as examples. Okay, and I suggested to follow my notes, homework and also assignment problems. Homework and assignment problems are very important for your examination. So in that you will find a lot of problems. Okay, you will find a lot of problems, and also I am providing a assignment also. So try to solve those assignment problems. That will definitely helpful to clear out your doubts, would also help you to become a very good at this particular vector calculus. Okay, so now I will end up this model vector calculus with the last one example or one problem on the application of the vector integration. Okay, so let us see what we have. A statement of the problem: find the flux across the surface given vector f is equals to xi plus yj plus zk over the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equals to a square. So observe here what is our aim in this problem. We have to find a flux across this surface. That surface is nothing but sphere. The sphere of the equation means that is given as x square plus y square plus z square is equals to a square. So this sphere equation is x square plus y square plus z square is equals to a square. A represents here radius of the sphere. Okay, and for that one what they given here, vector function vector f is equals to xi plus yj plus zk. So write down first flux across a S expression. What is that? Double integration of vector f dot product with unit vector n ds over a surface S. So by using a Gauss divergence theorem, we are going to calculate here flux. Okay, so write down here statement of the Gauss divergence theorem: double integration of vector f dot product with unit vector n ds over a surface S is equals to triple integration of divergence of a f dv over a volume v here. Okay, so consider this one as equation 1. This is nothing but flux only. Okay, so for finding the flux we have to find initially divergence of a given vector f. Okay, given what they given here, vector f as a xi plus yj plus zk. So divergence of a f. So you know that divergence of a f is nothing but del dot product with vector f. Del means that is operator dou by dou x into I, dou by dou y into j plus dou by dou z into vector k. This whole dot product with vector f. Vector f is implies here xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, then dot product between these two, dou by dou x of x plus dou by dou y of y, coefficient of k dou by dou z, coefficient of a k z here. Therefore dou by dou z of z. What it implies? Dou by dou x of x means 1, dou by dou y of y means 1, dou by dou z of 1 means 1. So what it implies? 3. Therefore divergence of a f gives here 3. Then equation 1 implies flux across a S. It is nothing but flux only across S is equals to triple integration of divergence of f means 3 dv over a volume v. 3 is a constant, now take it outside, then it becomes 3 into triple integration of dv over a v. Observe this one, this is nothing but volume of the sphere. Generally it is called as a volume of the sphere. That sphere is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square is equals to a square. You know that volume of the sphere is given as 3 as it is into volume of a sphere here. So in the previous classes you already learnt that volume of the sphere is given as 4 pi a cube by 3. Okay, so observe right here only v is the volume of a sphere of radius a as represented by what they given here, x square plus y square plus z square is equals to a square and is given as 4 pi a cube by 3. This is the volume of a sphere here generally. So substitute that one directly here. This is nothing but volume of the sphere only. This is nothing but volume of the sphere. So 3 get cancels here. 4 pi a cube. Therefore flux across the S here 4 pi a cube. It completes the solution.